Hi, it's Poya here, back with another video. In the last two videos I showed you guys how to crochet a full granny square and a half granny square. In this video I will briefly demonstrate how I attach each of these pieces together to form a purse. It took me quite a while to assemble each pieces together, and when I was content with the final design, I got my white yarn and my crochet hook, and I started attaching each piece together with single crochet stitches. I like to work my stitches on the rough side of the granny square. That way when I'm done stitching everything together, all the dips and bumps of the stitches will be hiding on the inside of my work. Here I'm joining each corresponding stitches with a single crochet stitch. Starting at the chain 2 space, I worked one single crochet followed by one single crochet into each of the double crochet stitches, and again in the corner chain 2 space I worked one single crochet stitch. After attaching the first two squares, I'm going to continue attaching the rest of my pieces together. I'm going to attach the rest off camera, and once I'm done I will show you the final piece. Okay, this is the final piece after joining everything together. Apart from purse, you can also make tops, dresses, or anything that you wish to make using the same idea. I hope this video has inspired you to do something more creative. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy stitching!